Well, I'm heading out of town. Nice and clean, feel great. It's evening now, so I spent all day in town. That's what a lot of hikers have done. Some of them are spending an extra night leaving early in the morning, and a bunch of us have been spreading out and leaving in the late afternoon and even night to try to avoid the heat. It's 15 miles to the next water tank because there's no more water caches. From here on out, it's all like gross water troughs and stuff. But the first town stop was really good. I had quite the hiker hobble in town, and my left knee was bothering me a lot. I was just trying my best to rest it as much as I could. And then since I'm only doing like 4 miles out of town, hopefully it'll really get a chance to recover and I'm not pushing it hard. And then I'm not doing any big mile days leading up to Silver City, and then I'll take a Nero and a Zero there. So hopefully that should be it to fix up my knee. This is pretty neat. Ooh. And it's pretty echoey in here. I always think it's interesting when trails go through towns and roadways and stuff. I kind of like the variety. I chugged a whole bunch of water before leaving. Now I have to pee so bad. But this is a 2.5 mile road walk, I think, before it even turns down another road. And there is no place to pee. This is uncomfortable. Well, I had to do what I had to do. I went in the ditch, tried to hide behind a thorn bush, and I peed. Hopefully no one saw me. Everything got covered in thorns. I probably pulled out 10 like giant thorns out of the bottom of my shoes and my poles. I hope I got them all, because I could see that causing problems down the way. But gosh, have I pulled so many thorns out of my shoes. They just go into the soles of my shoes and get stuck there. And then at some point I have to pull them out. I guess like the center of my shoes or at the bottoms are pretty soft, and it's easy to like penetrate with the thorn. But at least there's like the soles are pretty thick because they're the Ultra Olympus. So except that one time when the spike went into my foot, like through the shoe, they've protected my feet pretty well so far. Well, it's just one adventure after the next. Fewer cliff dwellings. But it looks like the trail's heading where that sign's pointing. I wonder if we'll see them on the trail or not. I'm not sure. I haven't done too much looking ahead as to what exactly we'll come up on. And there are some bullet holes on this sign. I hate when people just decide to shoot up like signs with information. Why? It's going to be 6 days altogether to get to Silver City. I think it's 70-something miles with 2 Neros. But man, just walking this road get there so much faster. But nope, taking the trail route. It's just kind of funny how the roads will get you there faster. I guess here is where we cross the barbed wire fence. I've been following the trail for a while, or the road for a while. And I guess the trail picks up underneath here. Here we go. I was kind of hoping to camp here, but as soon as I crossed, there's a sign that said no camping here. So I guess I'm going on further. Maybe tonight will involve some night hiking, but I have absolutely no idea where the trail goes from here. I can't see any trail signs. I'm gonna have to follow gut hooks pretty closely because I don't even see any footprints. I'm honestly pretty glad I'm hiking this vast swath of land at night because there's absolutely nothing here. It's basically all just dirt and a little bit of shrubby grass. This would be awful in the heat of the day.